You are about to begin a 3 minutes mindful breathing practice. Begin by sitting in a comfortable, upright position, with your hands palm down, on your thighs or knees. Close your eyes, or gaze downwards, with a soft focus, about 1.5 meters ahead of you. Let go of your doing mode, and let yourself enter a mode of just being. Become aware of your body, in contact with your seat, and also where your hands are resting. Let your awareness enter your body, and dwell there. And now, become fully aware of your breathing. Become aware of the changing patterns of sensation in your abdomen. Notice the sound of your breathing, just as it is. Notice the air brushing lightly against the insides of your nostrils as you breathe in. Feel your chest expand as air is drawn down into your lungs, and contract as it flows out of your body. Notice the slight stillness between each in-breath and out-breath, and between each out-breath and in-breath. As you practice, your mind may become distracted. Your mind may wander and focus on sounds around you, or thoughts that enter your mind, or emotions you feel, or physical body sensations. Remind yourself, this is normal, and simply something that minds do. Just notice where your mind has wandered off to, and gently but firmly, without judgment, bring your attention back to your mindful breathing practice. And now, as your practice ends, try to maintain some sense of mindfulness as you go about your day, knowing you can return to awareness through mindful breathing.